Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and MTrade software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for a coming week. So this week again we have seen a kind of a sideways momentum and the Nifty has ended on the weaker note by 1%. From past couple of weeks we can say that near about 13 to 14 weeks we are staying in a one range on the higher side 15,000 level and on the low side 14,200 level near about. So in this range, in a range of 800 point, we have spent a good time. So we can say that this is still a time-wise correction patch is going on, and we are not out of from the time-wise corrections. We are still a part of it. If you look at the history also, means last time also the prices has gone into the consolidation patch from this particular time. So this is what in broader consolidation patch that we have seen where prices has been into the little bit broader range and it has given a breakout on the higher side. So at that time the prices has taken a time of near about we can say 14 means 15 to 16 weeks it has taken. Right now whatever the consolidation patch is going, so as of now it is taken near about by 13 weeks so far. So maybe means sometimes the time by symmetry also happens. That means the way the last time it is consolidated over here, the same way it can consolidate that much time for right now also here. But the key thing to look for is that means the last time the prices has given the breakout on the high side. As of now, where the breach is happening, that is also very material. Means 15,000 is a 15,000 is a breakout on the high side, and 14,200 is in a breakdown on the lower side. From a geometrical formations, if we see prices are into this particular channel is going on, prices has just touched the upper band of a range and we have seen the reactions over there. But whenever prices has reacted from the resistance line, we didn't see that much kind of the reactions which has penetrated the support level as well. So prices are respecting the support levels, prices are respecting the resistance level. So in nutshell, it is forming a certain kind of the consolidation patch we can say. So this is what the range is going on. So for a coming week or coming days, we can say that means prices are still the range boundness. Just to filter out its in a level for the support and resistance, we can come to the daily charts, and if I look at the line charts, I can see that this is what my last turning point on the support, and this is what the resistance level. So if I mark our support and resistance level over here, so broadly it can be like this. So this is what kind of the support level we can say on the low side 14,500 to 14,400 level, and on the high side the resistance level is this one. So this is what the new territory for it, and we are into the consolidation patch. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.